You know, I cannot give you money when you don't have money. I will call you in a few. Okongo.
Uncle.
How are you?
I'm good. Kwa salama pia?
Okongo, you know me, niko salama. Naweza kuwa aje bila salama?
Uncle, nimekujia ile pesa uliniambia nikujie.
Which money?
Si ile ya kupeleka mama usiku.
Okongo, have you washed the feet of my chicken?
Yes. Feet?
Yes.
I have watered them. Zimekunywa maji ziko sawa.
You need to wash their feet so that you can take them to bed too.
Tutu uncle, tutu ni nini?
I need my chicken to lay eggs, Okongo. What is wrong with you? Do you want them to sleep like campus comrades?
Okay, I'll do that.
Yes, you should do that.
So uncle, mambo na pesa ulisema aje?
Okongo, what is wrong? Unataka pesa ufanyie nini?
Si mama ni mgonjwa uncle, ndio maana nataka unisaidie pesa nimpeleke hospitali.
What is she suffering from?
She's suffering from diabetes.
Diabetes? You mean you guys can afford sugar?
Uncle, diabetes ni ugonjwa wa kisukari.
I know. I thought you guys were poor like a church mouse. How did you even afford sugar?
Uncle, mom is sick. Mama kwa hospitali. Ni diabetes. See that we have a lot of sugar. Ni sugar iko in her blood. A lot of sugar.
Ni nyinyi mmempea hiyo sugar ama amejipea, si ndio?
Si ni ugonjwa uncle.
You know, right now I'm dealing with a very big crisis, Okongo. I don't know whether I can help you. I lost 3 million a few minutes ago on SportPesa.
Uncle, but si uliniambia anytime tuko na shida nikuje kwako.
Of course nilikwambia, lakini unajua hii ni past tense. Nilikwambia lini, si imepita. Right now I need to bet more so that I can get more money, you see?
Uncle, mom is sick.
I know she is sick, but you know the only person who can help your mother right now is God. Because mali yako sahi, it is a matter between life and death.
Uncle, I am your nephew.
Okay, you are my nephew, I know that.
And my mother is your sister-in-law.
I know that.
So help us.
Okay,
yeah.
I've told you, the only person who can help your mother right now is God. You see? Is God. Mimi saa hizi, I am in a very big crisis. Okongo, you know, ukilose 3 million, when you have money, one day ukilose 3 million, ndio utajua venye kulose 3 million inauma.
Sasa uncle, kama unalia ati umepoteza 3 million.
I am not crying.
Na mama anataka tu 500,000.
That is a very thin money.
Mama anataka tu 500,000.
500,000. Yeah. Nimetuma, let me call Pastor Ongeli so that Pastor Ongeli can pray for your mom.
Na kwa sasa pastor atasaidia aje hapa?
Your mother needs spiritual healing.
Uncle, mama
haitaji pesa. Wachana na OC. Those hospital doctors will just eat your money for free.
Sasa kama utaki kutusaidia basi uache.
You know you are complaining a lot Okongo, and mimi sikuambia mama yako asiende shule asome. That is none of my business.
Kama utaki kutusaidia useme tu.
Enda nyumbani.